Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be working on this area. This area sits right at the front of the house, and you can see how overgrown it is. There also used to be a large ash tree here, which unfortunately died and had to be removed. So now it's really open. I want to restore some privacy, as well as make the whole area look cleaner and easier to maintain. I'll split the project into multiple videos and create a playlist. And that brings me to today's video, which is all about clearing the area. The main challenge with this is that our electricity mains lead runs right underground somewhere, and I couldn't get my hands on a cable detector, so I had to be very careful about digging down. Because of this, I had to do most of the clearing by hand. I'd occasionally use a pickaxe for little stumps. The whole clearing took a deceptively long time, and I was out there for about 10 days, carefully lifting out all the ivy roots. I also started to clear out the front to make some room for hedging in the future, and I also took some measurements during this time. Once most of the weeds were clear, I just needed to level some areas and get some weed membrane down. This is mainly just to prevent weeds coming through in the near future. And that about wraps up part 1 of this series, and from now I've got a big blank canvas to work on. I'm thinking I'll go with a pyracantha and holly hedge outside the front, and I also need to get a tree to replace the fallen ash, because it had a tree preservation order. Let me know what you think of it so far in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.